Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create command line interface, how to download it and set it up. And now because I already have mine installed, I'm going to delete it, uninstall and start from the beginning. I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can download it as well. This is where you can find, this is the link I'm going to leave and you will find it. I'm going to just go to Windows and click on this one. So it's getting installed. It's ready. I'm just going to run it and install. Okay, once this is installed, we need the credentials of the admin account that we created in my previous video. So we are going to sign into the console and go to IAM users and admin. So this is where we are going to find security credentials, create access key. For command line interface, click on and next. Describe tag, command line interface, create access key. So now the access key is created. We are going to go on our Windows and type cmd, find the command prompt. Now we are going to check the version, AWS version. Okay, now it's running. We need to set up and configure now. Type AWS configure. It's going to ask for access key ID and now go back to AWS console where we will find our access key. Type the access key and now the secret access key. Copy this one and type it. It's going to ask for the region, so we need to make sure what our region is. I'm going to check for my region. So it's showing global, so I'm just going to select the North Virginia and type. And the format will be JSON. Now it's ready. To see if it's configured, we are going to type AWS EC2 describe VPCs. Yes, it shows all the details, CIDR block, DSH state, VPC ID, owner ID, instance tenancy, CIDR block association set. So it's all configured now. You are ready to go. You harder than hell. None can compete 'cause you're